So here's how we can cut a video shorter on the iPhone. Let me quickly guide you through it. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Your videos can be located inside of the Photos app, which is the gallery of the iPhone. You can get inside and open up the video in a full screen. In order to perform some changes to it, make sure you tap the edit button below, which kind of looks like this, and you can perform things like change the filters of the colors and, adjust brightness and stuff. But there's also this section where you have the timeline of the whole clip below, and you can either grab it from the left side or from the right side and make it shorter exactly according to your preference, right? So you would just slide it from the right toward the middle, and you would leave out the rest of the video, right? Because you would only save the cut out part, and that's how you can make a video shorter. Then when you're happy with the result, you can tap the done button, and it's going to ask you if you want to replace the original clip or if you want to save a separate clip of this new length, which is going to be shorter, right? So you can either, as I said, replace the original one, or you can end up with both the original as well as the shorter clip. So I guess that would be all. That is how you can find it. For more advanced editing, like you can use some different software tools and like video editors and stuff, but for now that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in future videos as well.